It brings me joy to introduce you to the Rivett-Carnac Lecture Theatre Quad. Performance, rehearsals, discussions, and engaging learning can only be deepened through the use of facilities whereby girls feel free to explore their creativity and freedom. And it is in this area, Lynn, that our girls, both the college and the preparatory school girls, experience this joy. Lynn is described as a highly regarded headmistress who is innovative and a very creative leader. It is an honor this morning to introduce the unveiling of the Rivett-Carnac Lecture Theatre Quad. Thank you, Lynn.
It says the Rivett-Carnac Lecture Theatre Quad, in recognition of and gratitude to the second head of St Stithians Girls Preparatory School, Lynn Rivett-Carnac, opened on the 5th of June 2021. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. That's from Proverbs, and I'm sure my husband thinks he wishes that was true.
Amen.
When I arrived at the girls' prep, to me one of the most important parts of my day as a head was to have my school with me. So we used this for assemblies, and every morning we would start the day with the children singing a hymn, saying a prayer, and celebrating birthdays. So if you had a birthday, you went and stood at the front and we all sang happy birthday to you, because to me that was gathering the school together. We also used the theatre for a lot of lovely, exciting things, but it holds a very special place in my heart because of those early morning assemblies that we used to hold. And thanks to St Stithians Girls Prep, I can sing the whole of Nkosi Sikeleli without even thinking. Because we used to sing it every Friday morning, and it was wonderful. So it's a real honour to me, and I want to say a big thank you, especially to David Wild and Anne Zale, who I had a wonderful time with when we were here together, and to all my wonderful family who come and join me this morning. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you.